See the next question from 11th standard, motion in the straight line chapter, NCERT exercise problem number 3.4. It is an interesting question. It is somewhat somewhat enjoyment. Okay, see that question. It's very interesting. This is also like a previous question, like a 3.3. Okay, one situation is given. Based on the situation, we have to draw one graph. Okay, but here very interesting. See that a drunkard walking in a narrow lane takes 5 steps forward and 3 steps backward. Okay, drunkard. It's followed again 5 steps forward and 3 steps backward. Each step is 1 meter long and require 1 second. Okay, right. So இப்போ இதுவரைக்கும் என்ன சொல்லிக்கிறாங்கன்னா a drunkard. Okay, drunkard, you know that. Okay, குடிமகன். Okay, listen, a drunkard walking in a narrow path. Okay, it's one dimensional. Okay, one way. Okay, ஒரு சின்ன நேரோ பாத் இந்த இது இருக்கு பாத்தீங்களா, இந்த ஃபீல்டு வயல் வரப்பு. ஸோ லைக் தட். ஓகே, ஒரு நேரோ பாத். ஓகே, ஒரு நேரோ பாத். ஓகே, ஸோ ஒரு நேரோ பாத்தில் என்ன பண்ணுறாங்கன்னா ஒரு ட்ரங்கார்ட். ஓகே, ஒரு குடிமகன் என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா போகிறாரு. ஓகே, எப்படி போகிறாருன்னா a drunkard walking in a narrow lane takes 5 steps forward. 5 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 steps forward and 3 steps backward. See that? 5 steps forward and 3 steps backward. Okay. Followed again. Adukaprom. Again 5 steps forward and 3 steps backward. Okay. In the மாதிரி போயிட்டு இருக்காரு. Each step is 1 meter long. See that how imagine. 1 meter long. This is 1 meter scale. Okay, it is not like a normal steps. Okay, 1 meter long. See that 1 meter long in 1 second. For 1 second, ingirindi porar. So now let us see it. So 1 meter long. Then each steps is 1 meter. For taking time is 1 second for each steps. So let us imagine. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 second, 5 steps. Next 3 second, 3 steps backward. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3. And the mari porar. Can you understand the situation? Okay, 5 steps forward, 3 steps backward. So let us imagine. You can, when you observe the doings of so many things are there. Now you are observing the roadside also. Okay, so many drunkards are there. If you observe, sometimes you observe, you can remember this question. 5 steps forward, 3 steps backward. Again 5 steps forward, 3 steps backward, like that. Okay, so this is the given situation. Here, plot the xt, the position time graph of this motion. Ivaroda motion ku oru xt graph kekranga. Okay, see that. Determine the graphically, and otherwise how long the drunkard takes to fall in a pit in 30 meter away from the start. It is a starting position. Okay, it is a starting position. From starting position, 5 meter forward, 5 steps forward, 3 steps backward. Again 5 steps forward, 3 steps backward. Again 5 steps forward, 3 steps backward. Like that is going. Appa enna solranga, here the comedy. The drunkard takes to fall in a pit 30 meter away from the start. The starting position. Then 13th meter. In 30 meter அப்புறம் next step என்னது? the pit ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு dirty water okay அதுல போய் ஜப்புன்னு விழுகுறாரு. So he take how much second, how much duration only asking, okay, but one condition is given, I mean one idea is given, that pit is after 13th meter, very next step, after 13th meter the pit is there, okay, ஒரு குட்டை மாதிரி இருக்கு, dirty water, okay. So now they are asking the time, how much second he takes. So 5 steps forward, 3 steps backward. Again 5 steps forward, 3 steps backward. So after cover the 13th meter, that pit is there. So what about the time? After how many seconds he reached that pit? Okay, it is the question. So first 5 steps forward. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 steps forward. Then 3 steps backward. 1, 2, 3. So totally how much distance is covered? Only 2 meters is covered. Okay. See that. So each steps 1 meter. For each steps taking time is 1 second. Okay. See that. So for easy, what is it? We have to draw the XT graph. So by using this data, so initially 0 time, 0 meter cover. After that, first 5 steps forward. So 5 seconds is over. Okay, so 5 steps forward, so 5 seconds is over. Next 3 steps backward. So totally how much distance is covered? Only 2 distance is covered. I mean 2 meters is covered. But time, distance will reduce, but time will not reduce. Okay, here 5 seconds over, here 3 seconds over, totally 8 seconds over. But 2 meter only covered. Then next 5 seconds. So 5 meter is increasing. So 8 plus 5, 8 plus 5, 13. Again 5 seconds is increasing. So 7. Okay. So yes, it is a second. Sorry, it is a second. Okay. Then 5 meter is increasing. So 2 plus 5 is what? 7. Okay, up to now. Okay. The next 3 steps backward. So 7 minus 3, 4. Again next 5 steps forward. So 4 plus 5, 9. Again 3 steps backward. So 9 minus 3, 6. Again 5 steps forward. So 6 plus 5, 11. Again 3 steps backward. So 11 minus 3, 8. Again 5 steps forward. So 8 plus 5, 13. So now you know how the distance he covered. Clear? As well as the time value we can't reduce. First 5, next 3, plus 5 plus 3. See that 5 plus 3, that is 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 3, 16. After 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3. Like that time is increasing. In 37th second, he reached or he covered 13th meter. You know very well? A pit 30 meter away from the stage. So after the 30 meter, next what is there? The pit is there. Okay? ஒரு குளம் இருக்கு, ஒரு குட்டை, சின்ன குட்டை இருக்கு, அதில் விழுந்துருவார். Okay, you understand the situation? So in this situation, see the graph. Even if you observe the graph, you understand. This is not like a normal person graph. It is extraordinary person graph. Okay? It is a drunkard graph. See that? First 0, 0. Next 5 second, 5 meter. See that 5 second, 5 meter. Next 8 second, 2 meter. 8 second, 2 meter. 8 second, 2 meter. Next 13 second, 7 meter. See the 13 second, 7 meter. Next 16 second, 4 meter. 16th second, 4 meter. Next 21 second, 9 meter. 21 second, 9 meter. Okay, next 24 second, 6 meter. 24 second, then 6 meter. 6 is here. 6 meter. Next 29 second, 11 meter. 29 second, 11 meter. 11 meter. Next 32 second, 8 meter. 32 second here. 32 second, 8 meter. 8 meter is here. 8 meter. Okay, here little bit. Adjust it. Okay. So now okay. So according to that value, you should observe that. Next 37 second, 13 meter. 37 second, 13 meter. Here 13 meter. Okay. It's not true. Okay. So please listen students, this is excellent graph we have to draw from the given situation. It is a very interesting question. See that in 30 meter is covered. Okay, 30 meter is covered in 37th second. Okay, that very next second he will be falling to the pit. Okay.